Ooh, welcome back. Ooh.
I know it's April. Welcome back, my name is Teresa and I'm very much
Alive, although my tablecloth says differently. Ooh.
Funny story, do you know you could just go on Amazon right now, look for a spooky tablecloth, and within one day and $10 later, this shows up? I mean, this is kind of amazing, right? All right, anyway. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes,
Just sometimes.
I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our Tom fondly.
Ooh, spooky springtime egg.
This video is very much long overdue and I'm sorry. I have new lighting, kind of creating this really fun, dramatic moment. And you know what? I'm here for it. You're probably asking yourself, what is this dinosaur egg we are looking at? Well, Timmy, let me tell you a little bit about it.
Look fantastic spring beauty egg. Luxury like no other. This bad boy retails for $75. What could possibly be in this dinosaur egg?
First and foremost, I want to say thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending this my way. So thank you. And if you are interested in said egg, you can get this egg that normally retails for 75 smackaroos. You can get it for 25% off if you use the code Teresa25. Again, thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending this my way. And now, without further ado, let's see if this motherfucker's worth it. I think you just have to do that, right? Okay. We love a pube moment. Here are the things that you get. All right. I know what this is. This is from my darling Chanticleer. Super excited about that. That's pretty fucking awesome. So let's see what else we get in this dinosaur spring egg. Spooky egg. And besides that giant egg, you do get this lovely pamphlet here, which tells you a little bit about the product. So let's kind of go through what is what. So the first one is from Erno Laszlo. This is a AHA or AHA. I never know how to fucking say it. Is it AHA or is it like AHA? Because I kind of feel like it's HOV or HOA fees, and that's what I kind of want to call it. So I want to call this the HOA fees resurfacing sleep serum. $100. Whoa, buddy, are you fucking kidding me? That's awesome. Listen, I love expensive things. Let's rip this bitch open. What is this? Ooh, look at this luxury bottle. So basically this is formulated for all skin types. This 15% HOA blend of lactic, glycolic, and citric acid, plus actives from wild plum and goju berry, is proven to resurface dull skin for a smoother and brighter complexion. I am intrigued by this. I have never heard of this brand before. So if you have heard about them, please let me know down below what your thoughts are, but I'm intrigued. Listen, I love serums and potions and whatever the fuck else. I'm in the process of Benjamin Buttoning myself, which means I want to get carded every time I buy liquor. So if this is what's going to help, so be it. The next thing is from Patchology, and this is the Mood Patch Happy Place Eye Gels. This retails for $3. Okay. I love me a good eye gel, so I'm actually excited to use this, especially since my under eye area is drier than the fucking desert. So I'm always looking to add some extra hydration to my life. By the way, this feels so extra spooky. I feel like I should have a Ouija board right here, or I should be holding someone else's hands. Maybe I should get a crystal, and I could be like, spirits of the realm! I don't know, I just kind of want to do that more than ever at this point. But anyway, I'll stop. We love eye patches on this channel. The next thing is from Elizabeth Arden. Okay, is this it? Yes. Ooh, this teeny tiny little bottle. What the fuck is this shit? Okay, I don't know how I feel about that. What is this? Advanced Ceramide Capsules Daily Youth. There's 7 capsules. All right, I don't know how I feel about that. Do you eat these? Should I eat one? Fragrance and preservative free. I love that. Anti-aging capsule delivers a concentrated dosage of bioengineered skin identical ceramides, helping repair and strengthen the skin while boosting collagen renewal, minimizing fine lines and plumping skin. Bitch, you're saying all the right things, but what the fuck? Do I eat you? Am I supposed to eat you? Hello? Hi, do I eat you? Oh, I was such a fucking fat fuck. that I would assume that I would eat this. I'm like, this kind of looks like creamer. You know, like I just open it up a little bit. Just fucking eat it. But no, these little, okay, bitch. Ew. Oh God, I feel like this is how alien movies start. All right, okay. Like this is just gonna suddenly suck into my skin and it's gonna be very much mummy style where the fucking scarab just crawls underneath my skin. That's what this feels like. And you know what? I got the tablecloth to fucking prove it, so I'm here for it. All right, what is this? This is little serum pods. Not gonna lie, I kinda wanna chew on them. They're so fun. Oh, I feel like those stupid kids that chewed on those Tide Pods. Oh, but they're so bouncy though. Please don't eat these, don't ingest these. I'm joking. Am I? I am kinda hungry, but still, no, don't do that. They kind of look like little raviolis though, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, the more I look at them, the more they look super appetizing. All right, if I had some salt, I would just shake them up here, pop these little fuckers in my mouth. So this is basically $12.41 for 7 capsules. And essentially you smooth the serum all over your cleansed face and neck. Okay, I have never used anything from Elizabeth Arden, ever. And I don't know if today's the day. I'm gonna start with these ravioli pockets, but yeah, I don't know. Anyway, if you have tried this, let me know down below about the raviolis, because maybe I'm sleeping on these, but so far these just look delicious. The next thing is from Molten Brown. I don't know why I had to say it like that, but it just felt like I needed to. And this is the
Fiery pink pepper body wash.
So this retails for $6.82, blending notes of
Fiery pink pepper.
I don't know why I just feel like I have to read it like that, but okay. Tangerine and elemi oil. What the fuck is that? With ginger, this antioxidant rich shower gel forms a luxurious lather on your skin to defend against free radical damage whilst enveloping the body in a spicy, stimulating aroma. Okay, so I'm basically gonna smell like a spicy margarita. All right, you know what? Listen, I smelled worse, so I'm okay with this. I would love to try it. Anything that sounds spicy, as long as I don't put it by my butt, I feel like we should be... Y'all know what I'm talking about. It's spicy butthole. Can I tell you, I had food poisoning not that long ago from a tuna boy from Subway. It was terrible. It was terrible. And I know you're probably saying, why are you fucking eating Subway? The bread's not even bread. And you're right. You got me there. I don't know. Sometimes I like eating yoga mats. The next product is from Chantecaille, and this is the Lip Tint Hydrating Balm. I don't know why I am talking with an accent. Doesn't make sense, but okay. Can I tell you? I love these little lip balms. They're so pretty. Yes, bitch. I love that beautiful, it's a very light pale pink color. It's gonna be very perfect for my lips. This I'm going to put by my computer, so I'm definitely going to be using that product. What I like about these is one, they keep my lips feeling very hydrated throughout the course of the day. They do have a beautiful wear down. There's always like a light touch of color, so it always looks like you kind of been eating a bunch of ice pops, but in a very cute way. Not like a scary psychopath outside of a 7-Eleven, but more like, oh, you're adorable kind of a way. So that's what I love about these. And I cannot stress enough how hydrating these are. And for myself, considering my whole body is literally a dried corn husk, this is great. So fuck me up with some of the Chantecaille shit. And then last but certainly not least, we have, I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it 111 Skin? 331 Skin? I don't know how to pronounce this company, but we have 111 Skin. And this is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Ooh, I love fancy packaging. Inspired by the brand's popular Rose Gold mask, this booster is formulated with Rosa Damascena extract, I don't know what the fuck that means, pure gold and niacinamide to enhance the natural radiance of skin for a coveted, dewy, radiant complexion. Listen, that sounds beautiful. I'm all about making my skin dewy and similar to food poisoning, so I am intrigued to try this. This retails for $67.50. So how does this come out? Ooh, oh. Oh, this kind of reminds me a little bit of like the Maya Chia. Ooh, it feels nice. So what do you do with this? How do you wear this? Shake well before use. Did not do that. Okay. All right. And you could use this with your favorite moisturizer or apply directly to skin after cleansing. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I think this might be a nice like little primer just to give me a little extra hydration on those days where I'm a dry lizard boy. So I'm excited to try this. I'll let you know in a future video how this works out. But you know what? This is not that bad. I don't think it's worth $75 though, but if you can get this on sale, I feel like it's a little bit more appetizing. So the serum, we're gonna try that out, but I've never heard anything about the brand, so I can't say if it's good or not. The serum looks like it's fun. This thing I'm probably gonna throw away because they're too tempting to eat. I do love a good spicy shower, and the Chantecaille is always fun. And then of course, these little eye patches here. But again, I don't think I would pay $75 for this. This is something that you would get on sale, or if you can get some sort of discount. What is really nice about this particular launch is that you can actually view the products before purchasing, so it's not like a mystery box where you feel completely fucked if you don't like anything. So that's kind of nice that you can at least go on the website and see like, oh, okay, well, for $75, this is exactly what I'm getting. Again, I want to say thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending this my way. And again, if you are interested in checking out this egg, you can save 25% off if you use the code Teresa25. And yeah, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you've ever tried any of these products and what your thoughts are. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this adorable, delicious, disgusting garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, ooh, or where you can get the spooky tablecloth, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little pumpkins later. I'm sorry, we're going back to this baby. And I hope you like it. Bye.